Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. Whatever time y'all tune in, I certainly appreciate the support, as I always do. Thank y'all so much. Today, guys, I'm going to be mailing off a knife, and I'm going to be showing you a knife, a Schrade Walden, brand new, still in the box, from the early 70s. Okay, I got this at an estate sale. He was a knife collector. He actually owned a Chevrolet dealership that whenever you bought a car, you got a free knife. He always gave a knife for every person that bought a car. I probably got this about 10 years ago. And we're going to be cleaning it up, conditioning the leather, and just touching up the blade a little bit. But this here, guys, I had several of y'all tell me I should send this in the case. Filled out a form online and send some pictures. And they have approved this knife to be replaced. So what I'm going to do is when I get the new one back, I'm giving it away. When I hit 5,000 subscribers, I'm at right at 3,300 right now. So when I get 5,000 subscribers, I'm going to be giving away a brand new case Sodbuster Jr. So I'll let you know when I get it back. But I'm going to be mailing this out today. Today is November the 24th, 2023. So I don't know how long it's going to take. It might take a month or so, but hopefully by then I'll be done reach 5,000 subscribers. And when it gets back, we're going to do another live drawing. Might have some more gifts at that time too. So stay tuned for that. All right. This here, guys, is a Schrade Walden 15OT. And it is a deer slayer, they call it. But it's brand new, never been used, still in the box. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take this leather wax here and condition the sheath real quick. And I noticed on the blade, it's got a little bit of rust here. That's forming. A little bit of rust right there. We're going to hit that with 400 grit sandpaper, then put Never Dull on it. And once we clean that off, we're going to be putting mineral oil on it to keep it conditioned. So, but ain't that a beauty? Never been used before. Schrade Walden Deer Slayer 15OT. Got your little thumb grip right there. But I love these knives. They are great. They feel good in your hand. And it has a factory edge on it that's pretty dang sharp. But I'm going to be cleaning this up with Never Dull, taking that little bit of rust off. It won't take but a minute, that little bit of rust off. But look at that. That looks so much better. It was dry. But this is some good stuff. Mama's Outback leather wax. I got it at the Georgia Bushcraft event. I'll leave a link to their website. I don't get no affiliation from it. I don't care to. But they're some good folks. I will leave a link in the description of the video down below. And there's some good folks. They really are. It's Never Dull here. And we're going to see if it's going to get that little surface rust off them. Because this stuff's some good stuff too now. Get a new piece for it. See, it's still got the original paperwork on it. Ain't that cool? There's that knife right here. It's called a Mustang. Remember that knife I fixed for my friend yesterday? That's it right there. It's called the Mustang. Large saber clip blade, looks in fully open position. See there? Pretty. The double blade is called the Folding Hunter. That's the 125 OT. It's called a Mustang. I did not know it was called the Mustang. See what you learn? Then you got the Woodsman and the Maverick. I'd like to find one of them. They called it here in this one. I've heard it called the Deer Slayer, but they call it Number 15OT, the old time hunter. Got thumb grooves and finger guard. Overall length is 10.5 inches. Unbreakable saw cut Staglon handle. Genuine leather sheath. How about that? Also have one of them home steels somewhere I gotta find. Brand new, still in the box. But it tells you how to take care of the old timer. That's some good stuff back in the day, I swear. You know, it was just something about a dad or a granddad taking their son or grandson to a hardware store and buying a knife for their loved one for the first time. And you could just get one of these old timers or Schrades, a case, an American made knife. Just something about when buying a young man. I remember my first knife. My dad gave me my knife. You know, I felt like I was a big boy then, you know. That my dad thought enough of me to get me a knife. I thought I was a big boy, you know. And it's hard to explain, but it's just something about that, you know. Just touch it up a little bit. All right. Beautiful, ain't it? See the surface rust is gone? Pretty. So now we're going to put mineral oil on the blade and the handle. All right. Beautiful, ain't it? I'm going to put it back in the sheath and put it up for about another year. I'll check on it. But it has still got the factory edge on it. And she is a beautiful knife. Feels good in your hand. Finger guard, thumb grip. Just feels good in your hand. Hoorah. Don't you just love old American made knives? I do. Beautiful, guys. Again, I'm mailing this off today. Case XX Sodbuster Junior 2137. I should be getting a new one of these in the mail. I don't know how long it's going to take, but maybe by when it gets back, I'll let y'all know. And maybe when it gets back, I'll be at 5,000 subscribers. But I just want to thank y'all so much, guys, for all the support, all the views. Thank y'all again so much for the support. But I'll be giving this, when the new one comes back, I'll be giving it away online, live. And I'll probably have some more gifts too by then. So thank y'all again, guys. I appreciate y'all tuning in today. I'm going to say God bless y'all. And until we meet again, guys, y'all be like a good knife. Stay sharp.